Hey guys, out here drilling on the Blackstone. One of my new purchases. It's one of my favorite things I ever bought. Picking up some veggies for some chili cheese sticks. While those are cooking, the vegetables take forever. I wanted to show you this I got today. So I just got this in the mail, or not the mail. Picked it up from an FFL. Bought it from Grab Again. They had them in stock right when they were launched. And so went down, or ordered one from them, and you can see it is, there it is in all its glory, the Sig Sauer P365x macro, 17 round mag, full Picatinny rail, compensated, just like the little brother that I carry on a daily basis. This is cleared, by the way. Let's look through that chamber right here. I mean, if I wasn't holding the tripod, I'd also fall. There you go. Anyway, little brother, comped, same kind of setup, but 12 round mag. So big difference, 12 to 17 stock. I do run the 15 in the holster as my backup, but this is just a flush fit 17 round mag. So obviously built this to compete with the Hellcat Pro, which came out with a 15 round mag. So it's like Sig and Springfield just keep one up each other, but let's be real, Sig is the original. They came out with the original 365, game changer in the industry for concealed carry. So optic ready, got the built-in sights, you don't have to replace the sights. I've got a Holson EPS carry arriving probably Thursday. This is Tuesday when I'm recording this. So I'll throw the EPS carry on there. But first impressions, this thing feels awesome. Awesome in the hand. So I'll do a full video. This is kind of like a super cash unboxing because I'm literally in the middle of cooking dinner. I thought, and I just picked this up right before dinner time. So just trying to get my tripod to cooperate here. Maybe? This stays the question. I don't want to eat over. But it's trying to. There we go. Alright. So, there she is. 17 rounders. Look at this, guys. This is nutty. Sig and their magazines, man. Very revolutionary. The one you're curious about is if it fits in my holster. So, let's see if it fits in my Kinetech. And it does. I do not have a light on this yet. I do have a TRL7 sub that I'm going to throw on there, just like this. And it will fit in that holster, I'm 90% sure, once I get that light installed. Good. I don't see why not. So that's cool. Should be compatible with your existing holsters, especially if they're light bearing. So I'm going to go out and shoot this when I get the carry, the EPS carry, to red sight that in. We'll do a video then as well, but just want to give you a quick unboxing of the 365X macro. Stay tuned for more content on this gun. See you later.